Hey y'all, it's Renee from Zone 9B, Panhandle, Florida region. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, so today's gardening adventure is all about the Rose of Sharons. So I got 3 Proven Winners Rose of Sharons from Proven Winners Direct last October. And when they came to me, they were little sticks, like about this tall. So I fertilized them in the spring and I made sure that they were watered all throughout the season. I up-potted them and now they are this. So they do grow quite a bit and we're still putting on new growth. So definitely a win there. I got 2 pink chiffons and 1 blue chiffon. And then I had one that I had purchased from another retailer on Amazon and it was on clearance. And that one is called Sugar Tip. And it will give me a pink blossom. Most of these are doubles, by the way, as far as the blossoms are concerned. But the pink chiffon is kind of nice because it has a slightly variegated tip on the green leaf, has a little bit of white or light green on there. It also stays a little smaller than these others, about 6 foot by 6 foot. Will it get 6 foot by 6 foot in my yard? Well, it's got the name Rose in it, so it might. I'll have to show you some of my drift white roses that I transplanted over the winter in their new spot. I mean, those things are monsters. I'm just saying. Yeah. I mean, they probably need a hard prune back. Anyway, but it came with a great trunk and hasn't grown quite as much as the chiffon series here, but definitely it's a beautiful tree or bush or whatever it's going to turn into, because these suckers can get about 10 by 10. Will I keep them 10 by 10? Probably not. I'll do my best to keep them in check. But it might take them a while to get that big too, you know what I'm saying? So I can enjoy them for their size and then we'll see where we're at 5-10 years down the road, right? Okay, so this is where I'm going to be putting them. So I already have a pretty blue one, but I'm not sure what its name is. It's just that it was blue hibiscus, which is probably a blue chiffon. But it's right there, and I got that off Etsy last year, and it has doubled in size and gave me some beautiful blossoms at the end of summer. And then here is the sugar tip, and you can see how they have a little bit of white on the tips of their leaves, which is really pretty, I think. And then the other ones that we're gonna do is I'm going to be putting a pink chiffon there, a blue chiffon right there, and then over there will be the pink. So we will definitely be putting those in the ground today, and hopefully they'll be loving their new spot. We'll be getting part sun during the day, but we'll be getting afternoon shade from my awesome crepe myrtles and river birch here. So I know I've talked about river birches with you before, but I would not plant them in Florida just because of the termite issue. I used to have a massive one where this dancing peacock Japanese maple was. It was unbelievable how it was eaten out. And we had to take down another one because of some big winds created with the tree cutter called a hanger. It's kind of almost split down the middle. So we had to take that one down. But this one's still going really nice and strong. And I should also say, most of them say that they are not going to get 10 foot wide. The chiffon series stays about 6 foot wide. I've kind of spaced them about 5 feet apart from one another. And they are supposed to grow in zones 5 through 9. I'm a 9B, so I'm thankful for the afternoon shade. Right, I wound up moving that hibiscus I got from eBay over here because I like the spacing better with my sugar tip. That's my plumbago, or as we like to say in my house, plumbago. And then over here is the pink chiffon, the blue chiffon, and then the pink chiffon. Those look so gorgeous. I can't wait for them to bloom. And then I hope I didn't curse myself moving this little blue baby hibiscus from eBay, but I see buds on it. And then these are the roses I transplanted. They're about 4 feet tall. This one's getting closer to 5 feet tall, the white one. I'm not lying. And then the red ones, they have just busted. Larger than I've ever seen them. They must love their place right now. And right now, I couldn't agree with them more. It's a beautiful sunny day in Florida, and the weather is good as far as temperature-wise. The humidity is pretty low for us, and it's probably like in the lower 70s. So once it gets closer to that 80-degree mark, though, ooh, it starts getting hot for me. But yeah, I think I went out and made something beautiful in my world today. I hope you're able to do the same. And until the next one, bye y'all.